Hi guys, I'm singing Angels Cry by Mariah Carey featuring you. Shouldn't have walked away, I would have stayed if you said we could have made everything okay. But we just through the blame, back and forth, we treated love like a start. The final blow hit so low, I'm still on the ground. I could have prepared myself for this fall. Shattered in pieces, girl on the floor. Supernatural love conquers all. Remember it's to touch the sky. Lightning don't strike the same place twice. When you're not, say goodbye. I felt the angels cry. True love's a gift, but let it dream in a song. Every night, felt the angels cry. Oh, ito. Thanks.